How to fix can't activate hotspot on iPhone. To fix can't activate hotspot on iPhone, you first need to open up settings on your iPhone. Then you need to scroll down a bit and open General. From here, you need to tap the software updates. Now tap on the Update Now button. After that, hit backspace. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Shut Down. Then, tap on Reset. Make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to backup. A menu like this will appear. Select the Reset Network Settings option. Enter your password. Once you're finished resetting your network, you will be able to use it without any hassle. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix can't activate hotspot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.